Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends within your crew on the CSR2 game. So let's get started right away. Now if you haven't already joined the crew, then once you have unlocked the crew option, you can click on the main menu at the left side of the game and you will find the join crew option. Once you find a crew to join or create your very own crew, you will be able to access the crew menu from your homepage by tapping on the crew icon. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken into your crew championship page. From this page, tap on the manage option at the bottom right and now you will see the invite option. Go ahead and click on invite friends and now this will proceed with asking you to log in to your connected social account or your Google account. So log in to whichever account is associated with your CSR2 game or provide your access by clicking on the continue as button, and once you allow access you will be able to choose your friends to whom you wish to send your invite. Just choose your friends by clicking on the appropriate checkboxes and then proceed forward with sending your invite. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends onto your CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.